Okay, in today's tutorial we will do some good stuff. We will make a timed level. Okay, now you have some amount of time to finish the level, and if you don't, the level can restart, or you can go into a main menu or whatever you like. We'll make it with timer, with triggers, with everything. Okay, I will try to make this as simple as possible and the fastest as possible, so I don't waste much time. Now let me show what I mean. For example, if you make some kind of level this long, we will make trigger here, so if you came to the clock, the time will stop, and you can jump and finish the level. Okay, now first of all, everything that you will see here, I will zip it and post it on my blog, audio, images, scripts, and so on. Okay, so you can just basically follow this video, drag and drop the scripts and items and tweak it if you need it, and that's all you will need to do. I tested all, and now let's start this one. So let's go. First we will create a timer. Okay, now you go in the folder timer, you will find the countdown and destroy countdown. Okay, first go to the game object, create other, then create a cube. This will be our trigger for ending the timer. Okay, the clock behind is just a decoration, because we will make this cube transparent, invisible. It will be our trigger. Just a second, so I can set this up so that I do not do this twice and we finish this fast. Now first of all, on the box, when you set up your first box, please click is trigger. Okay, now drag and drop countdown script on the box and set time. This is in seconds. I will set something like this. You can set whatever you like. Okay, just calculate how many minutes has seconds, and then you input the seconds. That's basically all you need to do, and the script will do the rest. And now we drag and drop destroy the counter, and this script allows you when you with your player collide with this cube, you will destroy the counter and the cube. Okay, and then basically you came to the point where you will winning the game. Now I will make this smaller because I have another plan to do. I will include the message, the pop-up message, also in this one. Now I'll leave it as this. Now go to the game object, create other, then create a cube. Place a cube, another one, on top of this one, but do not touch the cube with the cube. Okay, because this one has trigger on collider to destroy, so you basically do not touch it with any object you made. And this one will be, this is this quick one. I will not lose time on aligning this properly, so we can go faster with this video. For example, okay, this will be good. Yes, okay, this is it. Yeah, and you also make this cube as trigger. I will rename my, so I know which part is which. For example, I will name it pop-up message. Okay, and the other one that we do, I will make I will name it trigger, clock trigger. You name your however you like, it doesn't affect the game mechanic. Okay, I will put some different materials on this one so I can know which one I'm picking. And now in the folder that you will download on the internet, you will now find the folder that's called trigger image. Okay, on the green cube that we made, you drag and drop the JPEG appear and drag and drop sound trigger and add component audio source. Okay, and remove play on awake. Now I also include the graphics, so go to the folder images, click on the green cube and drag and drop Sheldon. I like the series, so I put the Sheldon inside just for fun. And now you will go to the audio folder and drag the Sheldon Bazinga sound. And okay, now we make this. This is basically the main stuff. Okay, now I will make this box transparent and its collider, and I will make this one transparent as well. Destroy on. Okay, this okay, this okay. Mesh render disable. Now we set up the timer and the message when you disengage the timer and so on and so on. Now we go on the part 2. I made some circle that will be end point for the game. Okay, now when my player touch this, I don't know what I made. Let's say it's some kind of freaking cookie or whatever you imagine is. It doesn't matter. I will place this trigger on top of it. Okay, you do the same on your game. This will be our trigger, so when you disable the timer, you will jump here and then trigger this box to load another level or load your movie or load your main menu with level choosing ability or whatever you like. Okay, now make it as box collider, go to the folder, and in folder you will find the new level folder. Now just drag and drop this script. Okay, and now we will set up. I will show you the fast way to set this up. When you just second for mono develop to open. In the meantime, I will move mesh render and this will be it. Okay, I will quickly move around on the scripts so you can understand what's happening and that you can tweak your script however you like. Okay, now just a second, come on. Okay, now basically what we do here is the cube. Okay, is this one. I will name it load new level. For example, you name your however you like, load the new main menu or whatever you like. Okay, now when you drag and drop this script, only thing that you need to do is put your level here, and you will find the name if you go to the file building settings. For example, in this script I call main level 3. For example, this is this scene. Okay, and you add your level and then call it, and the script will automatically put your on your player your level 3 in. If you are making something like main menu, you add your main menu scene in scene builder and then rename this one main menu. This must be exactly the same name as the name of your scene that you save. Okay, when you save the scene, this must be exactly the same name. Now when we set this up, I will show you what will happen. Okay, now we put all this together. Just a second so I can see something else here. Okay, in the pop-up message script, okay, you got a script that we apply is called JPEG appearance. In this script, when you open in mono develop, you resize this. This is the pixel size, okay? I set my trees to 300 by 300 pixels, okay? For example, if you have 500 by 500 pixels image, you change this value, okay? And it will fit your image, your pop-up image. Now I think that's just a second. Okay, and on sounds, you just drag and drop your sound. We pass this one. Now clock trigger. Okay, on clock trigger, here is something interesting that you can do. In countdown script, this I explained this one 2 or 3 minutes ago. You set this up as how long player has time to reach this trigger and disable the countdown, okay? But the best part on this script, if you open the countdown script, you will find that if time reach 0, the countdown script will load level main level chose. This is my scene, okay? I will call main menu level chose. If you have if you want to restart this level, you enter the name of your level here, okay? If you want to go to the main menu scene in your game, you put exactly the same name here, okay? And if your player do not reach the clock, automatically this whole thing will go away and script will load new scene, okay? In your case, movie, menu, or whatever you like, level. Now this is something that you must tweak for your game. Only thing that you must tweak in script is this one, this part, okay? You just put exactly the same name. Now if you got any questions about this, leave the comment in the video, and now let me show what we make. Okay, now up here you see the time left, okay? And now basically when dragon goes, for example, this is a level, okay, this is not enough time for me to finish. I need to make this for 19 seconds, okay? And let me see this one. Okay, now I will have enough time to came here. I resume. Okay, now let's go dragon. I'm sorry for lagging, but I do some other stuff on my PC, so... And now you see, when we hit the trigger, the message of the Sheldon, he's the king, pop out, and he's telling you, well done, you beat the time, okay? And also we destroy upper countdown timer, as you see. Now, only thing left is to jump here and load another level. And now just wait for the second, so my PC process this and load the level that I put in the script. And now, as you can see, my player is in 3D world in the menu, my future choosing menu of the game. I hope that I put this as simple as possible, and I will say it again. Only two things that you need to tweak on the script is the name on countdown script, the name of your level which you would like to load, and on this one, on this script, the same thing, okay? Now you basically that's it. If you do not come in time for on the trigger, I have the idea that you put this current level so it can restart and player have another chance to come to the clock. Thanks for watching, and this is basically it for today. See you guys in next video, and please share it, and if anyone have any better idea, please leave a comment in this video description so everyone in community can benefit from it. And that's all for today. See you next time.